Okay, this money making method is as simple as it gets. Just copy and paste text, that's it. We'll be using Quora, but we're not going to be spamming our direct affiliate link all over the place because unfortunately, this will get you banned. I'll show you a workaround in the form of bridge pages. If you don't know what a bridge page is, keep watching to find out. One other thing to mention is there are many ways that I drive traffic to my affiliate offers. Quora is still one of them that I use today. It works if you do it correctly, and that's what I'm going to show you. Okay, this is the first example I want to show you. Make money online from home. It's in the finance niche. Finance, health, wealth, industries like that, or niches like that, are very lucrative on Quora. They'll always work, and you can always search by past week and come up with new, basically questions that you can grow with as well. So for this example, these are a few that I want to show you. So this guy has replied to a question of how do I make money online with an investment in 2023? He's included his response. This wasn't written by him, by the way. I'll show you how this was done. And that's his Linktree link. You go to that and there are a few affiliate links there. Linktree links aren't the best because they can get banned. What I'm going to show you is completely different. So this is another example. He's replied to how do I make money online with investment in 2023? That's written by AI. And this is his affiliate link. So you click that. And these are his affiliate offers. So to set up your own dropshipping business, click here. That will lead you to a course or something that he makes an affiliate commission on. And have a look at this one. What's the easiest way to make money online? These are surely some affiliate links. 7.3 million views. These are quite new responses, these first two, 75 views, 260 views. But have a look at this guy. How can I employ myself and make money from home? His first thing is a link to his affiliate offer. The first line of his reply. And how many views has he got? 681,000 views. So he's definitely converted a few people with this link right at the top here. And this is allowed. It's a Google site. As long as you're providing value, it should be fine. Here's another example of what you probably shouldn't do. In the past, this worked. So click here to read. The bridge page is actually a Quora, not a sheet, a Quora space, they're called, Quora spaces. So these don't work anymore. Click that and yeah, the link doesn't work. One more thing that's important is when you're choosing your affiliate offer or product, make sure it's relevant to the subject. You don't want to reply to a finance post with a health offer. Everyone will be like, what the hell, and flag you and you get banned. So this guy is obviously talking about affiliate marketing because in his link, he's promoting an affiliate marketing course. Relevant and it works. Two marketplaces that I recommend, especially if you're just getting started, is Digistore24 and ClickBank. Once you become more established, you can apply for different marketplaces like Max Bounty, more premium marketplaces. But if you're just a beginner, stick with Digistore. Very easy to get accepted. Just go to marketplace, all offers. As you can see, there's almost 800 results. So 800 products you can choose to promote. For example, let's go to fitness and health. You'll see the #1 sales rank. So the #1 best-selling affiliate offer in this category is the keto meal plan. If we search keto on ClickBank, we'll see what comes up. 65 results. Search by high gravity. This just shows you what's selling. So the custom keto diet plan, decent landing page. And then you want to search keto on Quora and basically reply to questions like this with your affiliate offer. Finance and business categories work very well too. So on Digistore24, just go to social media. You'll find a number of results here. Internet marketing and e-business, 96 results. And for ClickBank, just search e-business and e-marketing. Many results, search by high gravity. Many are selling quite well. So if you want to promote, say, this product or this service, get paid to use Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter, just click promote, enter your account name. You don't really need a tracking ID unless you want to track where your affiliate commissions are coming from. Say you're promoting on TikTok or YouTube, just write YT, TT, create hop link, and it'll generate your unique affiliate link. For Digistore24, if we want to promote this product, copy this link. As you can see at the end, it's my unique ID. When someone does purchase something, that tracks back to me and I get a commission. So around $11.80 for this product. So if you want to get more ideas on what to search on Quora to promote your affiliate product, just go to their sales page and just check what they're selling. So this guy's promoting Instagram, drop shipping, Amazon, how to make money on affiliate marketing. So just literally just go to Quora, how to make money with dropshipping. And then affiliate marketing, Amazon. There's so many you can choose from. All right, we've got our affiliate product. Let's go back to the marketplace, copy your link into Notepad so you don't forget it, and go back to Quora and search in something relevant to what you're promoting. So how to make money with dropshipping, that's in the course. Click into one of these questions. Now there's two ways we can go about this. We can answer a reply by literally just copy and pasting someone else's reply into a paraphrasing tool, which spins it into our own words or a copyright-free version of it. I'll show you how this works. This guy's reply we'll use, for example. Go to Quillbot, paste it in. They do have a free word limit, but you can upgrade if you want to. So this is his reply. I've made money through dropshipping, but you need your unique selling point. Your product needs to blah, blah, blah. And then it's been rephrased into I've profited from dropshipping, however, you require your marketing proposition. So it's a bit different. To get this result, just click rephrase. Copy that into your reply, add your CTA, and you're done. Second method, this is probably easier, the one that I use the most. Just copy this into ChatGPT. So ask it the same question that's being asked on Quora. It'll generate a reply, and then copy that, add your call to action, and you're done. So copy this, answer, paste, add your CTA. This is the only thing you really need to write, but you can even ask ChatGPT to do it for you as well. I'm just going to stop this. Write me a few CTAs for this topic. So, want to learn more about how to succeed in dropshipping on Shopify? Check out our comprehensive guide, blah, blah, blah. So we'll rephrase this a bit. Check out this course that helped me. And then paste your affiliate link, not your direct affiliate link, your bridge page here. To be honest though, this sounds too salesy. You don't want it salesy or you get flagged. So usually I just write these myself. I'll just remove that. Check out this course to help me. Simple. Okay. Bridge pages. So this guy has a good example of what I mean, but essentially the purpose of a bridge page is to bridge the gap between your affiliate link and the end offer that you're trying to promote. Sometimes in the form of articles, this works well for me. So I just extend this reply into an article and I use ChatGPT to do it. Just copy and paste. If we go into his article, it looks like he just copied his actual reply and didn't add much more to it, but he did add his affiliate links. So we click into that. He's promoting the same thing that we are. Interesting. Okay. So to create our own long form article, literally just copy and paste the same question being asked in Quora into ChatGPT. So just prompt it with something like this. Write me a comprehensive response to the following topic. Does anyone really make money through dropshipping on Shopify? Once it's done loading, copy this into your Word doc and add a few spaces for your CTA that we're going to generate now. So you can ask ChatGPT to generate a few CTAs such as these. So ready to start making money through dropshipping on Shopify, sign up now. Want to learn the secrets of successful dropshippers? That's the right one. You can also go to the sales page and find some examples here. So the best guide on how to make money online, or just edit it with your own little touch. So click here to learn the secrets of successful dropshippers. That's mine. Paste it. This also works well, adding that little, whatever that is. And then hyperlinking it with your direct affiliate link. Insert link. So if you remember, we got that from here. Then copy and paste this a few more times throughout the article. All right, cool. So now that the article is complete, you want to create your bridge. There's a few ways to do this, but I'll show you a few of my favorite methods. These are free as well. Starting with Google Sites. Just go here, sign in and click blank. Then add your title. So just say something like, make money with Shopify. Add your text box. So yeah, it's like a drag and drop website builder. Very easy. Paste that, just make sure the links are working. Yep, they're all hyperlinked. And you can also have a play around with it, add photos if you want. And once you're done, click publish. Write something like, make money with Shopify. Available, yep, publish. And that's done, your website's complete. So copy that link, go over to Quora, and paste it in here. And then post. The second method, and probably my most favorite, involves posting the article to either Vocal or Medium. Now the good thing about these platforms is you can actually make money from readership. Yes, so it's a win-win. You can make money from your affiliate commissions and from people literally reading your long form article. So just quickly for Medium, you can get paid based on reading time if the reader is actually a member or signs up within 30 days of reading a story. However, with Vocal, you can get paid $3.80 per 1,000 reads for normal members and $6 per 1,000 reads for Vocal Plus members. So yeah, choose either platform. You can also do some more research, like you can make money from tips and bonuses as well. But for me personally, I make the most money from Medium, and the main reason why I believe this is because they have a massive internal readership. So 200 to 400,000 paying members, while Vocal only has 1,200 paying members. You can also go to similar web to check this as well. I think only around 3 million a month views. Medium has 150? Yeah, 147. Crazy. Also, don't post your article on both websites. So don't go posting your article on Medium and then also posting the exact same article on Vocal. Like Vocal has some rule against doing that. For example, even Google sites, like you can't copy and paste this exact same article that was just published and then post it on here. Probably some copyright thing. But yeah, for Medium, if you want to build your authority on Medium, just keep posting on Medium. So we'll click right. It's just an example, copy the title, copy the text. Make sure the links are working. Cool. You can also add photos and spice up a little. So search in money, add that, pretty easy. Then once you're done, looks good, publish, add a few topic ideas, money, and then publish now. Now once that's published, grab your link, go back to Quora, and yeah, just paste it in here. Add. You can also change this, obviously if you think it's too clickbaity or too gimmicky, just write something else like, this guide helped me a lot in my journey. Link that. Add. Like this. Looks good. Post. And then when someone goes to your article, click here to learn the secrets of successful shopping click here to learn the secrets of successful dropshippers. Boom. They sign up, you make money. They read this whole article, you make money. Win-win. So just remember, never to directly post your affiliate link in your Quora answer. Always build a bridge page like this. And when you are building a bridge page, don't post the exact same article on both Medium and Vocal. Just stick to one platform. Now with Quora, it's also a good idea to reply to a few answers without any links whatsoever. This makes your account look more legit. You can also add your expertise or profession here. Just make something up. Say you're in the finance niche promoting dropshipping products. Just write dropshipping expert here. If you are trying to promote a different niche, I recommend creating a different Quora account. Say the health niche. I've got a few accounts. It's just my personal one. But yeah, I hope you learned something, and please subscribe to keep up to date with future videos.